Josiah.
Oh,
What's up, buddy? Hi. Hi, bud.
What?
What's going on, boys? Here we go. Josiah. Hey, Josiah. There you go, Mackie. Big baby. So, how are you today?
I'm okay. Cleaning.
You are being interviewed.
I'm being interviewed, okay? I will do my work. That will be my interview.
Okay.